Hey everyone, Chris Ursu here, Ursu Capital Partners. I hope all is well. Actually, just pulling up to our job site up here in South Portland at our Opportunity Zone project. Going to give you guys a quick update on progress here. So as you can see, can't really walk too far without a hard hat, so got to be careful here. We got our first elevator shaft in. That's the outline of our first building. The guys are working out there right now, running all their underground, under foundation piping for electrical, for plumbing, HVAC. With the trucks in the back, clearing out for the second foundation. So just as a quick reminder, we're gonna have 4 buildings here, 256 units. We've really accomplished a ton here on the site thus far. It's pretty awesome. So those of you that are not invested in the project that might be watching this is up in South Portland, just outside the Maine Mall, one of the busiest retail corridors in the greater Portland market. 256 apartments. We closed on the land in April, and we started construction mid-May on the site clearing, and we're now in August and our first foundation is in. Elevator shaft is up, as you can see right behind me up there. We raised about $20 million. The deal is about a $60 million project in total. This is not a depressed area. This is market rate apartments. They're going to be 4 mid-rise buildings, kind of an urban, suburban type of deal. Each building is going to have its own little amenity package with, entrance into a lobby, your own virtual package center, your mail center, your little resident lounge / co-working space, and also your own little fitness center in each building. So each building is going to have about 64 apartments, combination of 1 and 2 bedroom units, various floor plans. Your finishes were going to be your vinyl plank, wood look flooring, granite countertops, white shaker cabinets. It's going to be a really, really beautiful project, very unique. One of the only fully elevator buildings in all of South Portland, which we think is going to be super attractive, both to capturing the younger demographic that wants to have the same quality, better quality, and better amenity package than those assets that are downtown, to be only a 5-minute ride away, and also the older demographic that's downsizing to be in an elevator building, have the lock and go capacity to kind of travel as they wish. We think we're going to kind of capture both ends of the demographic spectrum here. It's a super tight apartment market up here in Portland. Occupancy runs about 98-99%, strongest across all the markets that we're in. It's a function of very little to no new supply that was built over the last 20 years. High barriers to entry, high construction costs, not really a super high growth market. We're very candid about that, but very, very steady market. It's a market that's been here long before us, and we expect it to be here long after us. Some great fundamentals, some great job growth stories going on downtown between IDEX, WEX. There's a big veterinarian kind of industry up here that's developing. You got the port, you got tourism. Tourism's huge up here. And you got a big medical presence with Maine Medical, a couple of colleges, and a great outdoor lifestyle. Quality of lifestyle is fantastic. Obviously, winters are tough, but people love it up here, and it's really a great place, as you can see. I mean, weather's beautiful. One of the really unique things about our property, which is hard to tell, but we actually have it's called Clark's Pond Trail. Right outside kind of our tree line, in between us and the neighbor, there's a trail that entrance takes it all the way to the back of our property behind us, and there's about a 3.5-mile trail system that runs all through those trees and a huge pond down there. So it's really going to be a fantastic amenity. There's paved paths for bike riding, there's jogging paths, there's a little pond down there for kayaking or fishing. And right outside our doorstep, you make a right here, you got huge retail intersection, Sea Dog Brewery, Buffalo Wild Wings, Urgent Care, banks, Subways, restaurants. You got Maine Mall to the left down here for all your shopping, and you're on the highway right behind those trees. So it's really a great location. Thanks for checking out the update. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Check us out at urscapitalpartners.com. Shoot us an email at info@urscapitalpartners.com. We'd love to talk to you about your investing goals if you have any interest in future projects with URS. Thank you.